It's one of those, oh my god, gorgeous mornings. It's finally cooling off in the morning, so it's not an inferno when you wake up. It's just beautiful this morning. The sun's coming up and hitting these high mountains over here. It's just beautiful. Really flat water and really quiet. There's egrets and some trees just behind us. And it's really cool hearing them squawk and the crows squawk. Fish jumping. Wish you were here. Okay, where are we?
Nidri Bay.
Nidri Bay. This is kind of our launch pad. We're using it as a launch pad.
Yeah.
Pre-Atlantic Crossing launch pad.
Yeah, it's been nice. We've really enjoyed being in this anchorage because there's actually so many things and you have access to so much. You can dinghy over to this little area here where there's restaurants and a dock where you can just put your dinghy and go for really, really beautiful walks on this road. And then there's just over this way, you can go over that little saddle. And there's another beach that's really beautiful. And then across the water, which you can't see, but there's a yacht club for your boat.
We have to go there for Sunday dinner. They apparently have a really nice Sunday dinner.
Maybe we'll do that.
So we might go do that.
Yeah, so this is great. And then we can dinghy takes about 10 minutes that way to Nydri, which is a quaint seaside village, and that's where we can do all of our grocery shopping.
And they have a nice
anything you need there.
chandler there
they have
too.
A good chandler that we've been going to. Is where we got our new anchor, or it's a used anchor but new to us. Yeah, everything you need is there as well. So this is an excellent base, and I'm really glad we found it. And it's usually very protected from the wind, except for that one night where it got a little crazy. And so we're using this opportunity at Nydri to use this as our home base to do boat jobs, go to shore, go to town, I don't know, just take it easy and get some work done on the boat.
Before we sail 5,000 miles.
Yeah, 5,000 miles.
Yeah. Which, by the way, we're going to break up in 4 chunks, I think. We can get into that later. But today, we have some errands to run, so we just thought we'd show what a typical day is like for us.
Actually, it's a compilation of what it's been like living here probably for the last 2-3 weeks, wouldn't you say? So,
we get to rent scooters today.
Yeah.
Or a scooter. So
it'll be fun.
That's kind of exciting.
Yeah.
And we get to do something that we've been anticipating for a long time.
It's true.
We also have to clean the boat bottom.
Yeah.
And the bay that we're in right now, we could do that in, but the water clarity isn't very good. So we're gonna cross the big lake that we're next to. The big salty lake that we're adjacent to this beach that we really enjoy being, and it's got crystal clear water. And we're gonna scrub the bottom of our boat there.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
We're gonna spend the day there. Get to swim around.
It will be fun because it'll be beautiful and crystal clear blue waters and a really great swim.
Yeah. Do you know the name of that beach?
I think it's Ormos Bay.
I don't know.
Ormos Bay, or I think it's Dissimi Bay.
We call it Goat Beach.
Yeah, we call it the Goat.
The Goat Beach because there were goats there the first time we were there.
That's true.
So cool. Ready to go rent a scooter?
Yes.
I'm excited. Are you gonna drive it or me?
I think you should drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right. France and Spain both just announced that they're making it more strict for US tourists to enter the country. But we have to get to Spain, and we want to leave Europe and this side of the world from the Canaries, and the Canaries are controlled by Spain. Yeah, this is brand new. We've been asking and inquiring about getting a vaccine in Greece for I don't know how many months.
Ever
6
since
months?
yeah.
It's big news for us to be able to finally get a vaccine.
My favorite kind of shopping. No,
Veggies?
vegetables and fruit shopping.
Vegetables and fruit. Fish. One of the reasons that we really want to get the vaccine, aside from the health benefits, is because we are traveling quite a bit, and the more COVID stretches out, the more countries are requiring vaccine, and the more difficult it is to move around without vaccine or proof that you don't have COVID.
The seaside village of Nidri was once a small fishing village, but it became extremely popular when Aristotle Onassis purchased Scorpios Island adjacent to Nydri and frequently visited Nydri, and since then it became the playground for the rich and famous.
Okay, we finally made it to our goat beach.
Yay! I love this beach.
The water here is so clear.
It's wonderful.
We anchored in 7 meters of water.
Awesome.
I could see the anchor straight down. It was wonderful.
And you can see all the cleaning we had to do on the bottom of the boat too.
That was the first time that we cleaned the bottom of our boat.
Yeah, and it wasn't too bad.
Well, no, because I did most of it.
Well, yeah, you did. I was entertaining a young swimmer who swam from the beach to our boat to check it out. He was only 6 years old, and I felt responsible for his safety. I absolutely love this walk. It is filled with all kinds of produce, or fruit. Produce. I think of it as a grocery store.
Grocery store along the street.
Yeah, a lot of it is on private property, but there's a lot that's on vacant lots that look overgrown, and we've picked a couple things.
It's amazing how much produce grows in this area.
It's beautiful, and autumn is my favorite time of year. I absolutely love the smell of the trees and the shrubs and everything.
Yeah. And here we are in the start of September, and things are still blooming. There's tons of flowers out. The fruit's getting ripe. It's nowhere near, leaves falling off trees or anything like that yet.
No, not yet.
It's still gorgeous here.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining us on Sailing Blackbird.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out.
And please leave comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.
We'll see you next time on Sailing Blackbird.
Bye-bye.
There's a guy over across the water from us. He's mowing his lawn. And that's the first time we've heard anyone mowing their lawn since we left the US.
Strange.
It's been over a year since I've heard a lawnmower. It's kind of a cool sound. It's really weird being on the water and hearing a lawnmower. It was still pretty cool to hear a lawnmower.